Hello everyone. Well, this is a spur of the moment video. I woke up this morning, had some breakfast, and I'm looking out down the yard and I can see this spider web that's being illuminated by the sun. So I thought, I'm going to try something I've always wanted to do, and that's capture a spider web. Okay. First we need to move a little spider along. Let's just see if we can get him to leave. That's it. Leave the web. Go away. Oops, where is he? There he is. Okay, so he's going away. Really not liking us. But it's best he leaves rather than gets coated in paint. So hit it with a little bit of spray paint and the web comes up beautifully. Then we get our black card, which has been coated in a satin black. Let's see how we go. And there we have a captured spider web. And these are the two fellows that I've chosen to go inside this frame. And yes, that is a drill bit on the spider. That's just to hold him down while the glue sets. And there we have it, my very first captured spider web. Granted, it's an orb weaving spider web, and it's a St. Andrew's cross spider, and the butterfly, well, it's not native to Australia. But, granted, it's a little bit of a mishmash, but I think it turned out great. And I've titled this one Captive. So I'm hoping to do more of them because I really love my entomology, and I hope you enjoyed this little video. We'll see you next time. And let's keep creating.